Don't know what to
Hello
say.
po! So, andito tayo sa ating portion na love advice. So, this is my friend here, Derek. You wave your hands to them. Hi! Ayan. So, ayan. So, okay Okay yan. Ayan. So, meron tayong caller. Nagngangalang Everine. So, tawagan natin siya. Hello, Everine!
Hello.
Good afternoon, Everine.
It's night here.
Okay, so what's your question?
The question is about programming.
Oh, so you called the wrong number, man.
Oh, I thought this is a programming station.
Oh, wrong number. Sorry. Bye.
Goodbye.
Mali. Diyos ko po, ano ba yun? Programming daw, man.
Another call.
Another caller. Hello.
Hello?
Is this Everine?
Yes, I am.
So, pwede na ba ako magtagalog?
Yes, you can.
Ayan, so, ang balita ko, itatanong ko daw about love. So, ano yun?
I have a question.
What
I
else?
have my boyfriend, or rather, he's not my boyfriend anymore.
Oh?
But he's my ex-boyfriend, but I still love him.
Oh my gosh!
Yes, I am still grieving.
Oh my gosh!
Like Mother Jane, you know.
But, yeah, that breaks.
What did I do? I still love him.
What?
But I think he didn't love me anymore. But I hope that he will love me again. A question again.
Alam mo, hindi ako nakakahalita sa sitwasyon mo eh.
Why? Because you're the one involved there.
So, ganito lang yan. Simple lang yan. Sabi nga nila, it's all in the mind.
Then,
Alisin mo lang siya sa utak mo.
how about your heart?
Kung nakastuck na siya doon, hayaan mo lang siya. Lilipas din yung panahon na makakalimutan mo siya.
Because I have a friend that's still hoping that the boy is coming back to her.
Eh, kung sa tingin mo talaga, wala
And
na.
that friend is you. You are my friend.
Ayan.
And you are grieving.
So, yun. Ako nga yun eh. Ako nga yun. Dinaglag ako nito eh. Oh.
It's because this woman is still grieving.
Tapos
Yes.
yun. Mabagal yan eh.
Still grieving din. So, kung nasan ka man,
Nanas pa yung phone ko.
alam ko, hindi ka na babalik eh.
Siya nagdarawa.
Alam ko.
Alam ko na, magkikita ka ikaw magpapiano.
Ay! Bye-bye!
Bye!